It's time to make your dreams a reality. Our design consultants are here to help. Shop in our showrooms, exploring products that suit your vision and needs. Shop from your home or business with samples delivered to you to envision products in your own space. Shop online using our room visualizer tools and find the look you love to transform your room. Next, an estimator will visit your space to measure your rooms.
Excellence doesn't just happen. We are committed to making you smile and making your dreams a reality. We work as a team at Martin's Flooring, and we strive to build a relationship with each and every customer. We understand what it means to have a home and a workspace that is functional and an oasis. What sets us apart is our guaranteed service from inspiration to installation, installing confidence each and every day. Our affiliation with Carpet One gives us greater buying power, more unique products, and industry-leading warranties.
Martin's Flooring. We install confidence.